Let's unbox this package. Let's see what's inside this. It's a very, very, very rare alarm that I've been wanting for quite a while. Oh, here it is. It's a Simplex 40-50-80 light plate. I've been wanting one of these for my collection for quite a while, and now I own two of these. And better than yet, this one has the original lamp on the back. Here's the wire leads. It's polarized with a black and red wire. And here's the label. It says Simplex 40-50-80. It's 24 volts DC and it's 65 mA. This is my second one of these. This one does not have any fire lettering on it, unlike my other one. Let's get back to this device in a minute. Unfortunately, when I got this light plate, one of the two handles that hold the horn have broken off. All it needs to be done is that it has to be soldered back into place, right over here. I'm going to fix this thing in a little bit, but let's get to the testing of it. Let's test it. Here's a closer look up at the lens. Here's a close-up of my two 40-50-80 side by side. You can definitely tell the differences between the lenses. One is fire lettering, the other one does not. And this one has a strobe, because it did not come with the original lamp. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Go follow my Instagram at Fireworms of Long Island, New York. A test video of this with my 40-50 one will be coming very soon. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon.